Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel. And shit has gotten radical over here. I've heated it, reheated it. And this is my last ideal. I've rebathed it in oils, WD-40, Marble Mystery Oil. It ain't budged. There has been some turning, I don't know what, but I think I'll brace this bottom of the pry bar up with wooden blocks to give it even more precise, focused, precision straightness without running them up. Doing whatever I got to do to get the job done. And that one's too tall. I believe this one is too tall. It's going to be off either way. Anyway, I'll keep you all informed how bad I mess up or succeed. And I cut my Fisker's garden fork handle off. And I'd say if it's going to break loose, this is going to do it. These are probably the factory brake pads when they manufactured it. It's never been broke loose. 29 years, it's a 97. I've heated it and reheated it. Hit it with all sorts of oils and lubricants. I guess the only thing left to do is just put force on it. I could be out here all day heating it and reheating it. I don't know. This is Jason Faulkner, aka Shop Weasel, from East Tennessee. Wish me luck.